Thank you. All right. Bye, y'all.
Put a like and subscribe. Go like and subscribe to that video.
All right.
Later, baby.
Man, dang, on what's called you do nothing for me, man.
Thank you.
Thank you. OG organic is vegetable, yeah. Run on them digits and decimals.
She just.
Yeah, I'll show you. My friends, the dogs that you guys may have. I got coupons. You got a dog? I got a buy one, get one free off of the dog food that we sell 2 blocks away.
Okay.
Coupon?
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. It's right there.
All right. Yeah.
See, they're working. That's what it's going. That's what's happening.
Oh.
We were wondering why it's so packed on a Thursday. I'm like, they come down here to work. Come on, what can I do? Now I'm on the run. Who I don't know? Tell her to the front. That's like where you want to get your little couple up on. If you can go over here, you can see it's all windows. So you can see all of that sitting down eating.
Oh, wow.
So it's if you want a cupcake, Strand House.
Oh, man.
I know. Somebody got a big ass bubble thing. It's a bubble thing. Bubbles. Hold on. It's a professional bubbler over here.
Bubbler.
Look, she got the whole.
Oh, wow. Oh, man. You ready to go out.
He is. Yeah.
Y'all groomed up. Dope, man. I need that. Bravo. Is it?
Get on the trail, mother. Take the longest entry point and go all the way around, and then it's got this steep ass hill. Yeah, that's where we came.
Oh, that's right.
Where we came.
Yeah, in that
right
neighborhood
there.
down there, right?
Yep.
$3 for $7, huh?
Bible boot camp, get them on fire for Jesus Christ.
That's a great idea. So you won't see him anywhere else.
Yes, sir. Oh, that's cool right there. Yeah, man. Shit.
Christmas, how do you get your likeness? Huh?
That's like the Wynn Hotel, the golf course. Got MGM.
Wow, no.
Licorice.
Oh, licorice. Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice. Got Beetlejuice. Those eyes light up.
What?
The eyes
The light hits him, it goes kind of crazy.
Yeah, that's cool as heck. That's pretty cool.
That one you can spin it.
Check it out. All right.
Yeah.
Oh, they do got some rare shit. Yeah.
To put together. So many lights. Okay, there you go. You found it. Four-wheel drive.
Potato?
I know, right?
TJ Hook. That the thickest cookies in town.
There you go. Scratching it back like a bear. Go ahead.
You need to pay me back, like, cause you are so broke.
Got the same stuff.
Huevos Rancheros Crepes.
Oh, they got chicken.
Wow.
Fried chicken and some
Can I be in your YouTube video?
Yeah. What's
Hey
your
guys! Wait, where are you posting it? YouTube?
name? YouTube, yeah.
What is it gonna be called?
To Castan Jones.
Okay, I'll go and I'll look for myself on it because we're already famous. Yeah.
You are? Yeah, you too famous
You should go
already?
follow us on TikTok.
TikTok?
Yeah.
Yeah, TikTok stars.
Yeah.
What's the
It's
name?
room 201 outfits with 3 S's and then an underscore.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put a comment on you guys. So tell your
Wait,
followers.
actually, I think I could write it down for you just in case you forget. No, bro, it's okay, yeah.
I got it on video.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Huh. Okay, never mind.
All right. Funnel cakes. Side, you just get a slice of pizza.
I'm thinking it's like.
Yes.
Also, my job in here, I would quit.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Got the rigatoni.
All day, every day.
Oh, this is
good. Lasagna.
Sandwich.
Somebody else, somebody.
Basically, we have so many groups here. Mix it up and exchange.
Nails with the smear enough. We outside, we about to kill them all. Blacks on blacks, it's a fact. This a brick or off.
Yeah, where all the celebrities come. Oh, I've heard of this place. Yeah, town. It's actually pretty good. I've been there a couple of times. Right on. Yeah.
Is there Thai food or Chinese?
Compliments. Put their head on the Cuban link as a monument.
Oh, shit. I know. All right, there's a difference. Oh yeah. Surfboard. Pay respects to the surf god.
Small fries, niggas.
Look out! Chico bites and believes!
Give me 1 second, I'm gonna set up a tent.
Which one though? Short rib and you? This is Baja fish. Thank you.
No, she just turned 50 last year.
Oh, okay. Oh, those are good.
Oh, yeah.
They got so many games. That was good. I hit the spot.
There you go.
Alright.
Wow, that's it, bro.
No, I'm honestly curious. Like, what is it?
We want to dedicate this night to ABO. If y'all look at the screen over here, this is ABO that is acting up. Hip hop, West Coast, break it down. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. Come on.
Change them with your fork if you want.
I'm good, bro.
I want my Connie inside top.
But they lost it in that